Dankeschön für alles. Brandenburg, Grünheide und Deutschland. Not go to English. So I'm incredibly excited to hand over the first production cars from our incredible team here at GigaBerlin Brandenburg. This is a great day for the factory, and I'd just like to thank everyone who helped. Thank you very much. It really made a very big difference, and to the community. And Tesla will make sure that this is a gem, a gemstone for the area, for Germany, for Europe, and for the world. This is every vehicle that we make will be another step in the direction of a sustainable energy future. And we will also make battery storage. So this is going to be very important for storing renewable energy. So for solar and wind, because it's intermittent, it needs to be stored. But we are extremely confident that the world can transition to a sustainable energy future with the combination of solar, wind, plus battery storage and electric vehicles. If you have those three legs of the stool, then you can create a sustainable energy future for as long as the sun shines and the wind blows. So I want to be clear that because sometimes people are sad about the future, or they think, well, will we solve sustainable energy? And maybe the climate issue it's too late or something like that. I really want to assure everyone that you can have hope in the future. You should have hope in the future. This problem will be solved, and this factory is a major step in that direction. So believe in the future. I think that's it.
So, dann möchte ich mich an der Stelle nochmal bei unseren Besuchern bedanken. Vielen, vielen Dank, dass Sie sich die Zeit genommen haben, heute bei der Eröffnung dabei gewesen zu sein.